You got this little guy today. Take for a ride. See if them damn tires are still squealing. Alright, see how she goes. Can put on my janky ass lap belt. Yeah, they say the alignment's good in this car, but you can see the tires are fucking towed in. Good job, CS Motorsports. Good fucking job. Everybody loves old cars so you gotta fucking drive them. It's all over the goddamn fucking road. And it's supposed to have a good alignment. What we got in this thing? Thermostat housing's leaking. We're gonna fix that. Transmission pan gasket. And we're gonna do the cam. Clean this sumbitch off a little bit. Get up in there and get all of this shit out of the way. Oops. Always check to make sure it's safe. Yeah, she ain't going nowhere now. Got the previously installed Wellwood brakes, front and rear. And look at this little itty bitty exhaust. Let's try not to take a bath in train fluid this time. Oh, let's see what's gonna happen. And we are in the transmission a little bit. Take off this filter and change that. Oh, she's leaking a little more. Almost out. Well, that's what the new one looks like. Made in Vietnam. Some quality. Fluid don't look too bad. Gonna have to put a magnet in there so we can catch a little bit. Yeah, got a little bit of shit up in there. And we'll put a magnet in it next time. That's some pretty heavy shit. That shit ain't coming off easy. Oh, now it comes off. One car we did here. Supercharged 4-valve. Custom air-to-air intercooler. We also did coolant cross-off delete. Whole bunch of shit in this car. Should be done soon. Gotta clean all this shit out of here. Got a little brake cleanup in this bitch. We're gonna have to modify this pan a little bit, because you see pan rail is slightly bent by the bolt holes. Oh, look at you. Just chilling in your filth. Chilling in your filth. Look at you, you're so dirty. So we got flatten these holes out a little bit. We're gonna use a socket and a body hammer. Take it. Get in there. Sometimes you just gotta beat this shit up a little bit. Make sure everything fits right. After a little hammer timing, all the bolt holes are now flush with the pan rail, so it shouldn't leak no more. There we go. And this time, we're gonna put a magnet up in there, so the shaving stick to that. Bam! There you go. Since I'm about that doing a one-time life, we're gonna put just a smidgen of RTV in here to make sure she really seals. Yeah, so just a nice light coat. Put the gasket on there, and we be good to put this back together. Another thing, make it easy to install. Push the bolts through the gasket so they hold up in there, so they don't fall out and make it difficult for you. And of course, there is always one that's missing. No failure. There's always one. Now while threading to aluminum, always make sure to hand start these bolts because they will strip so easy. And what we got here is a inch-pounds torque wrench that goes to 36, so you can make sure you do not strip out them bolts. Make sure you don't strip them out and over torque them and bend the pan. So there you go. And that's when you know it's tight enough to make that clicking noise. And that's about it for today until we get some strut rod bushings. So we can fix that along with alignment issues. There we go. Having the specs in the green doesn't mean they're always good, because even though they're in the green, you see they're towed out and with positive camber, so it's going to cause issues.